Commander, morning.
Yeah. Commanders, morning.
Morning.
People of Tshwane and people of Acacia, Ward 4, that is your orchards and the surrounding areas, but more importantly, Ward 98, the ward councillor of the DA in Ward 98 has been forced to resign by the racist DA. Now, this is true. According to her, she was told that she is not good enough to be a DA ward councillor because uyinyanga yesintu, she wears beads and uhlabela amadlozi. Now this is the DA that you people of Ward 98 voted for. A DA that undermines your culture, your beliefs, and your God in particular. They want you to be people who delineate who you are. So Lalelanda, when the by-election happens, Umkhonto weSizwe is here. We are taking Ward 98 for the people of Ward 98. We want to give your power back, but we want to give black people dignity in particular. We know that in Ward 98, in those areas of Karen Park, Teresa Park, and those surrounding areas, there's predominantly black people. And this time around, you have your party, Umkhonto weSizwe, that you can vote for. So as we go to the by-election, say 31
Gaza.